In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change characteristics. If you've ever wished ChatGPT sounded a little more formal, a touch more casual, or simply shorter and to the point, this is where you make that happen. Characteristics control the tone, the level of detail, and even whether emojis appear in responses. Tweaking these settings helps align the assistant's voice with your preferences, whether you're drafting professional emails, exploring creative ideas, or just chatting. Let's walk through it on desktop. Start by clicking your profile picture. From there, choose Settings. In the Settings menu, open Personalization and then select Characteristics. This is the spot where you can fine-tune how ChatGPT communicates with you. Inside Characteristics, you'll see options for tone, verbosity, and emoji usage. Tone influences the overall voice. Think of it as the personality of the reply. If you prefer a professional sound for work, pick a more formal tone. If you want warmth and approachability, a friendlier tone helps. This change can make explanations feel either more businesslike or more conversational, depending on what you choose. Verbosity controls how much detail you get. If you're in research mode or learning something new, a more verbose setting gives you fuller context, extra examples, and more step-by-step reasoning. If you're moving fast or just need headlines and key points, choose a more concise style. Striking the right balance here can save time while still keeping clarity. Emoji usage simply lets you decide whether you want visual flair in responses. Turning emojis on can make light, casual chats feel lively. For formal documents, technical writing, or anything that needs a clean, professional tone, keep emojis limited or off. Adjust this based on your audience and the kind of content you usually create. As you update these settings, think about your primary use case. If you switch contexts often, for example, work during the day and creative projects at night, you can return to the same characteristics area anytime and fine-tune as needed. Small adjustments can have a big impact on how helpful and readable the responses feel. Once you've made your selections, you're all set. The assistant will reflect your preferences moving forward, shaping replies to match the tone, length, and style you chose. And if something doesn't feel quite right, hop back into Settings, open Personalization, and revisit Characteristics to refine it. That's the entire process for changing ChatGPT's characteristics on desktop. Profile picture, Settings, Personalization, then Characteristics, and you're in control of tone, verbosity, and emoji usage.